Grabe man. Lain na naman nga color. Yellow lips.
Yes. Love, Nanay and Claire. KaFam, this is Nanay, this is Claire. Welcome to my channel. This is Learning with Claire. Today we have a DIY home salon. I'm so excited.
This is a creative way how you can have a DIY home salon. And what is good about this is that you can erase, we will show you later, and then repaint again. So you can use it multiple times. So, diba?
Yes, that's too easy. Too easy, pretty and busy.
Claire loves to put on makeup pero hindi pa siya pwede, hindi ko pa siya pinapayagan masyado. So, dito na muna niya magpa-practice yung kanyang fine motor skills on painting, right,
Yes.
Claire? And color, coordination, and creativity also.
Let's gather the materials, KaFam. We have a scissor, a marker, a pencil, a 2-pin brush. This is for Nanay and Claire. A poster paint, and we have a packing tape, and then we have a wet tissue, and we erase the watercolor, and then we have a Pullman mail box.
Yeah, you can use something big or wide para kung gusto nyo all-in-one na siya. Ready ka, Claire?
Yes, I'm so excited. Come on, KaFam, let's go join. The box is quite hard to cut, KaFam. Nanay, are you okay there? You're
Yeah.
doing great job on there. Wow! Done cutting, KaFam. And then we're going to draw our eyes, and then a lip, and then a hands. Are you ready?
Oh!
Hi, Second Mom! The latest, the straighten.
Eyelashes!
Eyelashes, I forgot.
Oh, we're going to put the eyelashes below kasi close nga yung ating eyes.
Wow, that's too long!
We're going to use Claire's hand.
Wow, that's so cute!
Another hand.
We're going to use the marker, a black marker. Let's go! Wow, that's so nice! It's like the same like me. Chop, Nanay. Wow! You see, KaFam, that's so beautiful.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Thank you. Wow!
The lips.
The lips. You see, KaFam? Nice, it's so beautiful.
Do the color, Bike Claire. You feel that one.
Okay, Nana.
There you go.
This is beautiful. Now we're going to use the packing tape to wrap everything. Para
Yeah.
erase. This is our hand.
You're done with your salon, Claire. Next step is what?
It's going to paint.
Wow.
I want to paint first the lip.
The lips. Okay.
My favorite color is color yellow.
Yellow lips.
Yes, because this is my favorite color.
Nanay will help you.
Thank you. This Mona, yeah.
Ay, man nakiklaro na. Slide it with the line. So, show KaFam how you can reuse it. So, we're going to use the
The
Right. Yeah, you see? That's nice.
The American.
Oh, nails. Okay.
Are you ready, KaFam?
Yes. Can have different pattern or flowers, whatever you like. You can be creative, okay?
Yeah.
What eyeshadow you like?
I want a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Because I like rainbow. I want the color orange.
Orange. Okay, is this right?
Yes.
What's the next color?
Color purple.
What's our last color?
I want the color green and yellow.
Huh?
Green and yellow.
Bonggang eyeshadow naman to. Saan ba ito pupunta? Anong party ni Cleclet? What's the party?
A rainbow again.
Put eyeshadow here, sa baba.
Oh yes, that's a great idea.
Let's put yellow.
No. Maybe we can put color blue if you want. Oh, Nanay, you can different color right here.
Grabe man. Lain na naman ng color.
I want the color pink. Finish now. Wow, I love yours so lightly.
Nice, no?
And we have a lip. And then, woo, that's so beautiful. You see?
Parang dinagyang na eyeshadow, di ba? Parang unicorn party yata yung aaten namin.
I love it, Nanay. Thank you. You're the best Nanay ever seen me. You're the best. You're the best lover ever.
Gisela. So you can definitely have this at home also. Cute, ano? So I think Claire will use it often from this day.
Bye-bye, KaFam. Please subscribe for watch Nanay and Claire. Click the bell button and follow us. Continue learning at home. Bye-bye.
Bye! Time to race again!